What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alina if you're new here. Today is Sunday and I'm just going to do a little deep clean day in my life. Sunday, reset day. I love doing all my stuff on Sunday, so it's like good for the new week. Today is Mother's Day, so I'm gonna go over to my parents later and hang out with them, my family. Gonna lay out because it's finally good weather here. For this clean, I'm gonna do like a pretty deep clean, but I'm gonna do it quick, like a quick deep clean, spring clean, whatever you want to call it. And my hair is all gross because I slept on it soaking wet last night, but I don't care, so I'm gonna probably swim today. But yeah, so I'm just going to basically take you along for my cleaning. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this motivates you and gets you in the mood to clean if that's what you're looking for, or you just like watching, how other people clean and that type of thing. My outfit today is Skims, of course, it's all I wear now. This is, I don't remember, I think it's just like the cotton boxer with like the tank top. And it's in this blue color. So I love it. Good for how hot it's gonna be today. But yeah, so I have already cleaned my shower. When I'm in the shower, I just deep clean it, that stuff. So that's done. So everything else is free game. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna start with. Okay, so after that is done brewing, I have my hot coffee here. I am going to take my 1UP ISO coffee flavored protein and do 1 scoop in here. And honestly, this is like the only way I get my protein in. I don't know why, I just hate protein flavored stuff. So this actually really helps because it tastes like an iced coffee with a little bit of like a hint of protein. So this has definitely been like a lifesaver. Then I'm gonna take my little coffee stir and just stir this up. Also, I know that my face is much darker than my body. I scrubbed off all of my self-tan. Most of it, I tried to. And yeah, I've been trying to lay out, so I'm trying to get some natural color. Now I just make sure this is like super well blended because I definitely do not want any protein chunks in here. And I feel like blending it also kind of cools it down. I could be making that up, but it makes sense in my head. Okay, next I'm adding in some almond milk, just a little bit. And I'm only gonna give this like a quick stir so it doesn't overfill. And I'm going to pour this concoction in. If I have time in the morning, I will put the cup of coffee into like the freezer or fridge and let it try to cool down. But I normally don't have time, so I just do quite a bit of ice and pour it in. And I'll grab a little straw and I will drink this while I clean. It's kind of like a breakfast, but not really. It's more like a pre-breakfast. Okay, first I'm going to get my sheets cleaned, which Kona hates because this is where she spends all her time. But yeah, I'm going to do this first since it takes the longest. Kona, you gotta get down. You gotta get down. Come on. Come on. Hi, baby. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, that's so nice. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. And I actually have brand new sheets on the bed. I was very lucky to partner with Brooklinen, which is crazy because, like, it's just crazy. So yeah, I partnered with Brooklinen. They sent me the Luxe Sateen sheets, which I'm literally obsessed with. I got the duvet and the sheet set, and I'm obsessed. I love, love, love clean sheets and like just new sheets and crisp, clean. And these, apparently, every time you wash them, they get like better and better. So I'm obsessed. I do have a discount code. It's Alina Elliott with only one T on the Elliott. So yeah, if you want $20 off of your purchase over $100, you can use my code, which I literally like. I'm obsessed with how these feel, and they're like kind of like cooling, so it's great for summer. They have a whole bunch of different styles too. They have like linen, just like a classic sheet material. They have so much, so, and definitely a lot of colors, so try it out if you want. Another thing I love about Brooklinen is that the ties inside are like super long. So like you can really attach it to your duvet insert. I saw a little hack on TikTok to put a tiny drop of Dawn dish soap with your whites to keep them super white. So I've been doing it. I haven't noticed anything bad, so I'll keep doing it. And then I'm using one of my favorite detergents, Arm & Hammer, OxiClean. I normally get the blue cap, I think, but this one, I think they have a different smell, but yeah, still good. And then I will do a little bit of this Oxy powder. So for my counters, I think I'm going to empty out this spray bottle. It's just the Target Smartly one that's like a dupe for Volcano. But I'm like almost out, and honestly it doesn't really clean that good. And the scent doesn't last, so I don't really care. But I'm really wanting Fabuloso like in this apartment right now. Like lavender, calming. So I think I'm gonna empty this out. I'm probably gonna like pour it down a toilet or bathtub or something like that, if this will even open. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Okay, well maybe that's not gonna happen. I think it's one of those bottles that you have to like basically like force open. I also have Pine Sol, like on standby, but I've been doing Pine Sol and I'm just not in the mood for it right now. It smells so good. It reminds me of when we moved in, because if you watch that vlog, you'll know that this apartment was not cleaned before we moved in. And whenever they like made the cleaning lady come, she used Fabuloso. So it's like getting memories of that. all of the counters and toilets and mirrors and all that stuff is clean now, so I'm going to vacuum and then mop. And that should be good. And then finish more laundry. I'm gonna vacuum like the couch, refluff it. Layla really does not like when I talk. She's a very needy gal. Honestly, I don't do too much in the guest bedroom because I don't really go in there. I'm gonna vacuum it, but like, that's about it. And like pick up Kona's toys, but yeah, that's about it. Vacuuming is finally done. Now I'm going to mop. My real mop broke, so I'm using just a little Swiffer. But I feel like it gets the job done. It's not like I'm dragging like mud through here or anything. I'm going to use the Clorox disinfecting cloths. So yeah, it doesn't have bleach in it, so it's like safe and good. But that's what I'm going to finish off with. And then I'm going to continue with laundry, of course. I am back home. I think I got a little color. I'm a little pink on my cheeks, but I definitely have some tan lines, just a little bit. Just a nice hint of a tan. But yeah, I am still finishing laundry, doing towels, I think my actual clothes need to go in there. Yeah, then I'm just chilling for the rest of the night. So that's about it for my little cleaning day. I do want to show you guys this candle. This is from Target. I think it's the Threshold with Studio McGee. It's this Santal, Wild Iris and Santal. So it's really good. I like it. It smells like all the good Santal smells. I'm watching American Idol right now because that's my Sunday night thing. So yeah, I am going to drink some greens powder. And yeah, it's already almost 8 p.m. so I'm gonna start like actually getting ready for bed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys cleaned with me, just hung out on Sunday with me. But yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.